2022 Most Popular Design Tools Survey Results announced by UXtools. UXtools has released the results of its highly anticipated 2022 Design Tools Survey, which garnered an impressive 4,260 responses from design enthusiasts worldwide. The survey meticulously ranked the popularity of various tool categories, encompassing interface design, basic prototyping, design systems, digital whiteboards, and user testing. Without further ado, let's explore the top tools in each category for the 2022 Designer's Toolkit. The survey ranked the popularity of different categories of tools, including interface design, basic prototyping, design systems, digital whiteboards, and user testing. Here are the top tools in each category for the 2022 Designer's Toolkit. UI design. Software used to create, design, and specify high-fidelity interface details. This category has seen stable development in recent years, with 93% of respondents using UI design software. Figma remains the most popular UI design tool. Top 3 rankings. 1. Figma. 2. Adobe XD. 3. Sketch. Basic prototyping. Creating basic clickable prototypes with transitions or animations. The report shows that 91% of respondents use Figma for basic prototyping. Top 3 tools. 1. Figma. 2. Adobe XD. 3. ProtoPie. Advanced prototyping. Creating realistic experiences using conditional logic, variables, data, and dynamic inputs. The report indicates that 91% of respondents who use Figma for UI design also use it for basic prototyping. However, it's essential to acknowledge that ProtoPie, being a sponsor of this survey, has garnered substantial attention for its advanced prototyping tool. As discerning professionals, we remain open to exploring and evaluating the data impartially while upholding the integrity of the survey findings. Top 3 tools. ProtoPie. Code. Axure. Digital whiteboards. Software used for collaboration, digital note-taking, sketching, user flows, workshops, and more. This category experienced increased demand during the pandemic and remote work period. The report shows that the most popular digital whiteboard tool is Miro, although FigJam and Figma together still surpass Miro. Top 3 tools. Miro. FigJam. Figma. Design systems. These types of software help maintain interaction, visual styles, and general usage guidelines for design elements. Top 3 tools. Figma. Storybook. Zero Height. User testing. This type of software involves real people participating in prototype, concept, research material, or real product experiences. The report shows that 56% of respondents use software to assist with user testing, and among those using software for user testing, about 1/3 use general web conferencing tools Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. Top 3 tools. Maze. Zoom. Google Meet.